Hi guys, let's look at the next question. The next question is question number 9. It says given there are three coordinates of the vertices of a square are given, we need to find the fourth vertex B. And then there are certain subparts. So let's plot them first. So A is negative 2, 4. So I go negative 2 here and 4 units up. So this is my point A, negative 2, 4. Next part is C, which is 4, 10. So I go 4 here and 10 up here, correct? So this is 4 here, this is point C, 4 here and 10 up on the y-axis. Last part is D, which is negative 2, 10. So negative 2 here and 10 here. So this is D, this is negative 2, 10. Let me join them. You will join them using a scale. I am joining them using a freehand because I do not have access to a scale on this software. So the fourth point will lie somewhere on this line and I join it here. This gives me an angle of 90. So this is point B and the coordinates will be 4 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. So I've got the value of B as 4, 4. Next part, I need to find the midpoint of PC. So this is PC and how many we need to find the midpoint. So this is one block here, one block here. So this looks like the midpoint of BC, which is in the middle of exactly in the middle of BC. Another way of finding the midpoint will be adding the ordinates and dividing it by 2. That gives you basically the midpoint, and similarly for the abscissa as well. So this would be the midpoint, and let's name this point. Have they given a name? No. Let's name this point E, and the coordinates will be 4 on the x-axis and this is 7 on the y-axis. So 4, 7. So this will be E, which is 4, 7. Like I said, another way of calculating it would be, so 4 plus 4 divided by 2, that's my abscissa, which is 4, and ordinate would be 10 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 7. This is my abscissa, or this is my ordinate. Next, midpoint of CD. So CD is this, which means again I can add divide by 2, or I can visually look and see which seems to be the midpoint of CD. So this would be the midpoint visually of CD. Let's name this point F. This is 1, 10. So the midpoint of CD is F, 1, 10. And then intersection of diagonals. Now since my I do not have a scale here, my diagonal could be not correct, but I will still try and make it. Let's see what the diagonal will be. Well, the actual diagonal should be here, 1, 7. In my example, it hasn't come like this. The line should have been something like this because I do not have a scale. So this is the midpoint, or not the midpoint. This is the intersection of the diagonals. Let's name this point G. The coordinates of this point are 1, 7. So this is G. The coordinates are 1, 7. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.